Atomic Habits, James Clear. Tiny changes lead to remarkable results, redefining how habits shape our lives. The most important secret in this entire video is revealed at the very end. Thousands of people have already benefited from knowing this, and by the time this video finishes, you will know exactly what to do and why. Atomic Habits by James Clear introduces a groundbreaking approach to habit formation and personal development by emphasizing the power of small, incremental changes. Clear posits that tiny adjustments, when compounded over time, can lead to significant transformations in our lives, effectively debunking the myth that massive change requires massive action. At its core, the book focuses on the science of habits and how they influence our daily behaviors and overall success. Clear breaks down the mechanics behind habit formation, explaining the cue, craving, response, and reward cycle. By understanding these elements, readers can effectively create new habits and eliminate undesirable ones. One transformative insight from the book is the concept of the 1% better rule. Clear illustrates how making small improvements every day can result in substantial progress over time. This notion encourages readers to focus on manageable steps, fostering a mindset that prioritizes consistency over intensity. Another key insight is the power of identity-based habits. Rather than concentrating solely on outcomes, Clear suggests that transforming one's identity can lead to sustainable change. By aligning habits with the person one aspires to become, individuals can create a more profound and lasting impact on their behavior. The book also emphasizes the importance of environment in shaping habits. Clear explains how our surroundings can either hinder or support habit formation, encouraging readers to design environments that naturally foster positive behaviors. By making small adjustments to our physical and social environments, we can set ourselves up for success. One of the most memorable concepts from Atomic Habits is the idea of habit stacking. Clear introduces this strategy to help readers build new habits by attaching them to existing ones. This creates a routine that feels natural and seamless, making it easier to incorporate positive changes into daily life. James Clear, the author, is a renowned speaker and writer focused on habits, decision-making, and continuous improvement. His work draws from scientific research, personal experience, and practical insights, making complex ideas accessible and actionable for a wide audience. Atomic Habits is especially relevant today as people seek efficient and effective ways to improve their lives amidst rapidly changing environments. The book's strategies offer practical solutions for achieving personal goals, enhancing productivity, and fostering well-being in a world where distractions and challenges are ever present. An actionable takeaway from Atomic Habits is to begin implementing the 1% better principle. Start by making a small, positive change in your daily routine and commit to improving just a little each day. Over time, these incremental improvements will compound, leading to significant growth and transformation. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.